finally time to wake up. Well, Cole isn't here, which is kind of weird. Is that thing still open, the generator thingy? Maybe you could go check the lightning, dude. Okay. Yep. My arm is feeling a bit better now, but I want to see if it could get me healed. Feeling a bit better, but not as much as before. But that's good if feeling better, Lightning Dude. Yep. I wonder when the next villain is gonna face. Or, wait. Not next villain, when I'm gonna face your villain. I don't know when you're gonna face your villain, Lightning Dude, but probably soon. Yep. Maybe I could go to that time machine. Oh no. Hello? Can I help you in any cost? Yes, yes you could. Give me your gem. I don't know who you are. So that's why I'm not stepping away, but flying away. So I don't know who you are. Sorry, my phone is going off. Or my mom's phone. No thank you, I don't know who you are. I am your father, Lightning Dude. I feel like I'm fading, but I don't know how. Whoa!